I'm so happy to see you, Samapti, and it's so good to have you here. And today I have my favorite hair care products with me. So these days I have been using few new hair care products which are working really well for me. And see, my hair has grown so much, and now I'm like taking care of it like even more, and I'm so happy that I found these things. So yeah, now let's start because I'm really excited to show you these things. So first thing I have is very innovative and something I have been trying out very recently. I have not tried anything like this before, and I'm so happy that I found this for me. This is Protouch LED Hair Growth Therapy Comb. It is actually India's first LED hair growth comb, and I'm really impressed with the product. Let me show you how to use it. So this red light mode, it stimulates collagen, it helps regeneration of cells, and also enhances hair growth. And the blue light mode is there to soothe and calm the scalp. Also it controls dandruff and targets bacteria buildup. And the hydration mode is also there to improve the blood circulation. It also provides therapeutic head massage. And this product came inside this box. I'm still using this box to keep this comb safely. And also it comes with this USB cable so that you can charge the device whenever you need to. So what I do, before I use this comb, I massage Protouch hair growth drops on my scalp. It contains Redensil, and again it also contains Procapil, that is proven to boost hair growth. And this serum is quite lightweight and it absorbs really easily and doesn't feel heavy or sticky. And this serum can be perfect if you're looking for denser and stronger hair. And when you pair this hair growth serum with this LED hair growth therapy comb, the treatment becomes more effective. So what I do is that I use 10 to 15 strokes of red light, then I use 10 to 15 strokes of blue light, and I do this like 5 times in a week at night. This combination is clinically proven to show 67% control in hair fall, and it improves hair growth rate by 98%. And I have noticed increased shine and less hair fall and breakage, and I'm really liking this one. And I do think it can be a really good investment for hair and scalp's health. Also, my scalp feels less itchy these days, and if you're regular hair, then you know that I suffer from itchy scalp, but these days my scalp feels better, which is great. Use this device consistently for 2 to 3 months to see noticeable results, and also keep the bristles clean from oil and dirt so that you can get the maximum benefit of LED lights. And I'm gonna give you an update after 3 or 4 months again about this product because I'm really enjoying this and I see myself using this for the long term. And let me know how it works for you if you try this. And Protouch, they have this very good sale going on their website where they have this buy one get one offer, and I hope you found that to be helpful. So the next thing I have is one shampoo, and this is from Priyanka Chopra's brand Anomaly. So I tried their clarifying shampoo, and I used clarifying shampoo before, and that was like drying, like very drying. So I used that like once in a week, but this is drying but not too drying, to be very honest. If you have say very dry scalp and hair, you may not like it. I have slightly dry hair now, but this one has been working really well for me. And they have used bunch of surfactants, and they also have used charcoal in this formula, and I can see fragrance comes after surfactants in this formulation. Then we have like citric acid, which is a pH adjuster, then few stabilizers. It also has panthenol, and this shampoo doesn't over dry hair and scalp at all. And I have been using this twice in a week, and it has been working so good. My scalp doesn't feel oily, my hair doesn't feel way down, and you have to use a conditioner with it. So for that I use my most favorite conditioner in this whole world. This is this Hyo Mayo conditioner from Tony Moly. This is very good for frizzy hair. Love this one. And yeah, I keep this conditioner for like say 5 minutes, and I rinse it off, and then I use this DIY hair rinse. I'm gonna leave the video down below. And my hair and scalp, they feel really good. So yeah, totally love this one. Also, I have been using this hair mask from this brand Nat Habit, and this one is really nice, though this is thick and oily, but my hair feels so good. My hair feels shiny, nourished. But if you're into like lightweight hair mask, then it won't work for you. If you have extremely oily hair, it won't work for you. So I have been using this twice in a week. I apply this on my hair and scalp, keep this for like say 1 hour, then I wash it off with a shampoo, and then I follow up with a conditioner. That's all, and I totally recommend this. And I also tried this green variant, but this is nice. This is lighter than this one, but I love this variant more, to be very honest, for my hair and scalp. But one thing about this hair mask, this is really like sticky and oily, to be very honest. This is not one of those very like lightweight creamy masks, and this is a little bit like difficult to wash up, so you might have to use shampoo twice back to back if you want to like get rid of the mask completely. And you have to, because it feels oily, that mask. But it didn't create any issue for me. It worked well for my hair and scalp. The brand actually says that we don't have to use conditioner, but I kind of disagree, because at least for me, conditioner works better with this mask. I mean, I use this mask, then I use shampoo, then conditioner, and then I use hair rinse. That's all, and my hair and scalp, they feel really nice. So yeah, that's all for now. I really hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.